Welcome everyone, and thank you for joining this night walk. Tonight we're exploring a city after dark where the lights, the people, and the atmosphere create a completely different mood compared to daytime. As you watch, take a moment to observe the streets and surroundings carefully. Try to guess where this video was filmed and which city it is, then share your answer in the comments.
Gotta get started. Hey, gotta get
As the walk continues, let yourself relax and enjoy the moment. Listen to the music playing throughout the video while watching the natural flow of nightlife around us. The streets are full of energy, and you will see many beautiful women wearing stylish and seductive outfits, adding confidence and excitement to the nighttime atmosphere. This video is meant to give you the feeling of simply walking, watching, and enjoying the city without any rush.
You can have it and I baby what I need.
Thank you for staying until the end of the walk. I hope you enjoyed the city lights, the music, and the nightlife experience captured in this video. If you liked what you saw, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more night walks in different cities. Before leaving, don't forget to comment and tell me if you guessed the city correctly. See you in the next video.